Gong Bao Fish Fillet is an adaptation from the classic Gong Bao chicken. We are going to deep fry the fish fillet and coat it with mouth-watering Gong Bao sauce. The sauce is salty, sweet and spicy in flavor. You will love it. Let's cook together. Scoop up the fish fillet once turned opaque or light golden brown in color. This will ensure fish will not overcook, remain smooth and juicy. Stir-fry the peppercorns and dried chilies for the fragrance to emerge. You can sprinkle some toasted cashew nuts or peanuts on top before serve. We are on the way to become a better cook. Let's check at the comment box for any questions that you may have. Click the subscribe button to follow me on tested recipes which are easy to follow. Bye!